How can I deactivate Messenger without deactivating my Facebook account?
Hello and welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to deactivate your Messenger without deactivating your Facebook account. By following these simple steps, you can easily disconnect from Messenger while keeping your Facebook account active.
What is the difference between deactivating Messenger and Facebook?
Deactivating your Messenger does not mean you are deactivating your Facebook account. You can still use Facebook normally without Messenger. The process of deactivation simply makes your account unavailable on Messenger. You won't appear in search, and your contacts won't be able to message you.
How to deactivate Messenger?
Before you start, keep in mind that you need to deactivate your Facebook account first to deactivate Messenger. But don't worry, you can reactivate Facebook right after deactivating Messenger. Let's get started. 1. Open Messenger on your phone. It's the blue icon with a white chat bubble. 2. Tap on your profile picture on the top left corner to access settings. 3. Scroll down and tap on Legal and Policies. 4. Here, you'll find an option that says Deactivate Messenger. Tap on that. 5. You'll be prompted to enter your password for confirmation. Enter your password and continue. Your Messenger is now deactivated.
How to reactivate Facebook?
To reactivate your Facebook account right after deactivating Messenger, follow these steps. 1. Open the Facebook app or go to facebook.com on a web browser. 2. Log in with your credentials, username and password. As soon as you log back into Facebook, your account will be reactivated. And that's how you can easily deactivate Messenger while keeping your Facebook account active. Remember, you can reactivate Messenger anytime by simply logging back into the Messenger app. We hope this guide has been helpful to you. If you have any other questions about Facebook or Messenger, feel free to drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.